Hello, my name is Byron Schramm, president of Midtown Chimney Sweeps Franchising, the nation's first full-scale, fully sophisticated chimney sweeping franchise. Have you awoken and thought, this isn't where I want to be in life? You are frustrated with your position in life. There is little opportunity at your job or your business is going nowhere? If you have, then you are not alone. You need that one opportunity to change things around, someone to believe in you and give you a chance. What if I told you there is one thing that you can do right now that can change your future and put you into a whole new life? An opportunity to take control of your life, to receive the rewards for your own hard work, to be respected for what you have accomplished. Our company is looking for a few good people who can identify with family, goodness, hard work, reliability, competence, and freedom. We are an American company providing access to the American dream. I would like you to call me personally at 720-575-7952, and I will put you in touch with our onboarding qualification team. We have franchisees who have been chefs, prison guards, auto mechanics, real estate agents, representatives at office supply stores, and a Marine. Call me today and let's start a new path.